Chicken tacos are one of our favorite dinners to make, and I'm going to show you a super easy way to make them at home. Start by cutting the chicken breast into small pieces. Now, add your choice of chicken rub spice along with garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, and a bit of oil. Mix everything well to make sure each piece is evenly coated with the spice. And let the chicken marinate for about 30 minutes. While the chicken is being marinated, let's make the hot sauce and fajita mix. In a pan, over medium heat, add some oil and tomatoes. I like to cover the pan with a lid to help the tomatoes cook faster. Let them cook until they are soft and set it aside to cool. Once the tomatoes have cooled, in a blender, add garlic, ginger, chili flakes, tomato, and salt. Blend until smooth and your spicy tomato sauce is ready. For fajita mix, again, in a pan over medium heat, add oil, onions, bell peppers, salt, and black peppers. Cook until they are tender but still a little crisp. Now let's reheat some tortillas. We reheat them in a pan because it tastes much better. Wrap them in a foil to keep them warm. Now after 30 minutes, the chicken is ready to be air fried. Place the chicken pieces evenly in the tray and air fry at 370 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Toss them halfway through. Repeat until all the chicken is cooked. Now it's time to assemble your tacos and enjoy them with your friends and families. Let us know how it turned out for you in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you later.